In this video, you'll learn how to remove a payment method from Doordash, assuring your account is secure and up to date. Many users struggle with outdated or unwanted payment methods on their Doordash account, leading to confusion and potential billing issues. It's frustrating when you try to make an order only to find an old credit card or expired payment method holding you back. This can be especially problematic if you're trying to make a quick order during a limited time offer or sale. Furthermore, outdated payment methods can make it difficult to keep track of your spending and stay on top of your finances. In some cases, it can even lead to unexpected charges or unauthorized transactions. Keeping your payment methods up to date is crucial for a seamless and secure experience on Doordash. Outdated payment methods can also slow you down when you're trying to make an order from your favorite restaurant. By removing unwanted payment methods, you can focus on making orders quickly without any hiccups or hassle. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to access your account settings, locate your payment methods, and remove any that you no longer want to keep. It's surprisingly easy, and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at managing your payment methods on Doordash. So let's get started with the video and hit that like button to let YouTube know it needs to share this with other people that need help just like you. Here we are on the Doordash app. You'll need to make sure that you're logged in. Then I'm going to hit the account button, and on the account screen, click Payment Methods. Now in here you'll find all available payment methods, but you cannot remove your default payment method if it's the only one. You'll need to add a new payment method first. So if that's your problem, we're going to show you how to get rid of that right here. As you can see, my default payment method is PayPal. It's got a check mark to the right. I'll need to add a credit card or other payment method down here. And as you can see now, I've added a Visa card. There are two ways you can delete your payment method. Either tap on it and it'll give you a menu right here that offers you the chance to delete it, or you can scroll left and this red bar will delete it for you. Thanks for watching the video. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'd love for you to subscribe. On this channel, you'll find other helpful Doordash videos and entertaining Doordash vlogs. So subscribe and I'll see you next time.